If you're searching for a quiet getaway, this triangular home in Connecticut just may be your perfect slice of paradise. While this slanted escape in Guilford, Connecticut isn't your typical beach house, it is designed for peace and quiet. It's listed at $1.5 million. The modernist triangular design, which covers just under 1,200 square feet, is typical of the architect's style. The main level features a living room and kitchen, and there's a lofted bedroom above. The stone fireplace and spiral staircase are eye-catching interior design elements. The compact kitchen is galley style, with views of the ocean from almost everywhere. Overlooking the water, the vistas resemble what you might see off a ship's galley. The outdoor space is designed to simply soak in the sun, as a large deck wraps around the house. For a house where the right angle is truly everything, it's hard to find a bad view.